Dog Best Friends Reunited and other feel-good doggy clips video compilation. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so we have here best friends. They are dog pals, and before COVID they were always together playing. Okay, so she moved to another place, then she visited again and they're reunited. That's a feel-good kind of video there. They can't believe they're seeing each other again. Okay, what's wrong with the spooch? What's wrong with your spooch? He's throwing a fit, apparently. Let me out, boss, let me out, the dog said. Okay, so here's the dog, and he accepts donations, and then in return you can pet him, you can touch him. Oh, this puppy is in trouble. Okay, help the puppy out. What a cute puppy. Okay, back to her mom.
I was in the 3rd grade. People say
Okay, owner and doggy. Okay, he got upset for why? He doesn't want to show. It's a big Labrador. Look at that lab. Fluffy and big. Okay. Okay, so he's getting a gift. And he's looking for a toy or toys. Okay, he picked one. He picked the bestseller, I think. And then, what did he choose? Okay, now you pay for it, doggy. Wow, okay, so he can play all day. Kevin. Okay, so we have a magic set here, a magic routine. The missing dog routine. There's the dog. Okay. So he's trying to prank his pet dog. Look at the face of the dog. He's worried. Whoa, that's a giant dog. Is that a half bear, half dog? Dang, look at the size of that dog. That's a monster. A monster. Oh, that's an Alaskan Malamute, and yeah, it's a German Shepherd, I think, puppy. And he doesn't like to see the GSD. Okay, here we have a nice wedding. And whoa, the dog doesn't want the wedding to happen. He wants to keep his boss for himself. Boss, I'm not ready to let you go. Oh, there's a bulldog. Look at that cute bulldog. Very playful breed. And loves humans too. Look at that bulldog go. What's this? Pouring some soda in the bowl. Is that soda or what? Appears not to be soda.
Why is it spicy?
Okay, we have a Chucky here. An afraid, skittish dog. Alright. Look at the dog. He's like begging for what? Hey, can I join you girls? Alright, cool. What kind of dog is this? It's a cute dog we have there. So he got a friend duck. A duck friend. Or a duckling friend. And they like each other a lot.
Did you steal a cookie? Did you steal a cookie?
You're gonna get it now. You stole the cookie again. That's the last cookie.
Not doing this again. Get out of the pool. I'm coming after you. Come. Hey.
You have to pay for it, Mr. Husky. You're stealing. He got mad. What is this? It's a
Bean.
husky
No.
and a cat. Will they get along? No, they won't. They won't get along.
No.
He's jealous. He's the jealous type. There, you get it. For hitting me. Oh, it's a nice looking, cute looking mutt here. No breed, but look at that nose, right? I like to squish that nose or and kiss it.
We just got these buttons in the mail so that Georgie can learn how to talk. Georgie, what is this? Which button?
Smart dog.
Click it again. It didn't go. Food, yes. And what is this? Which one is that?
Okay.
Only one.
That's like a low-tech Siri,
Stop. Yes, that's water.
right?
Georgie, do you want to go outside?
That's a low-tech Siri.
Tell me if you want to go.
If
Outside.
that was
okay.
developed by a Chinese company, that would be
Go on
the
then.
Siri for dogs. Yes, a lot of glitches. What a tiny dog we have here. It's like a yeah, it's a toy breed. But it's a very, very, how do you call this? Playful breed. What a name, Beatrice. Yes, Daddy is back. Daddy is home. I can't wait to kiss Daddy.